Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Omaha Steaks Gourmet Steak Delivery Service app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Omaha Steaks is a gourmet food delivery service known for premium beef, seafood, sides, and ready-to-cook meals. The Omaha Steaks app is designed to simplify browsing the full product catalog, ordering curated meal bundles, tracking shipments, and accessing exclusive app-only deals. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering convenient tools for subscribing to recurring deliveries, managing rewards, and storing past orders for quick reordering. The app's main features include detailed product pages with cooking guides, portion information, and reviews, making it easier for users to choose cuts that match their taste and budget. Users can also receive timely delivery notifications, explore seasonal specials, and manage their account and payment details directly within the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many customers appreciate the app's ease of navigation, reliable order tracking, and access to frequent promotions. The ability to browse high-quality meats with clear descriptions helps users make confident purchasing decisions. Rewards integration and personalized recommendations also add value for frequent buyers. However, there are some drawbacks. Prices can be higher compared to traditional grocery options, and shipping fees may apply depending on order size or region. Additionally, some users report occasional app glitches, delayed notifications, or issues applying promo codes. As with any frozen delivery service, timing and proper handling during shipment can impact the final experience. In summary, the Omaha Steaks app may be worth using if you value premium meat delivery, curated meal bundles, reliable tracking, and easy access to exclusive offers. However, if you prefer budget-friendly options or want to avoid shipping wait times, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.